Nobody else wanted to work here.
That's what I'm talking about!
A little more whiny than I like.
Wow.
They say I'm young, they say I'm dumb, but what they don't know, it's where I've been and who I am, all the ways I've grown. Blood and the sweat, tears and regret made me hard as stone. On my own, on my own. Put the work in, yeah, I earned it. It's my destiny. Yeah, I'm on top, can't be stopped. Shooting my shot. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, I'm the one. I'm a legend. Get what I want. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, I'm on top, can't be stopped. Shooting my shot. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, I'm the one. I'm a legend. Get what I want. Oh, oh, oh.
Hey, Sam. Hey, Sam. Hey, Sam.
Many unbearable hours later.
What's even more aggravating is the douchebag that you called never even called back and said, hey man, I can't get that part. Instead he just decided to say, eh.
Top 5 ghosts caught on camera. Poltergeist.
Oh, hey, camera.
They can see, oh.
Is it not charging?
It is charging. Why did it do that? When did it do that?
I don't know. I just looked up and saw it.
Listen, if you're not scared, just say it.
No,
Come on, you know you want to.
I don't want to say it, Castle.
For me, please.
I ain't afraid of no ghosts.
What you got there, Gary?
Hey, this? Yeah. This is our new Fest tool, 2200 ED-F. We have been plagued with router issues for the last 2 years. Burned up multiple of them. We decided we're done playing. We're done with stuff not matching up. We're done with accessories not working together. So we're gonna put this guy to use today. We're gonna do a video about it real soon so everybody can see what this thing's all about. Can I use your flashlight for a minute? Like, yeah. She's like, where is it?
It looks nice.
She's like, where is it? Yeah, I'm looking at it. Like, it's up there.
Totally fine, but I don't want to stay in this town. I'm so sorry, I love you so much, but this is what I want.
I'm doing this just in case there's stuff on the blankets.
Sure.
Because I do not.
I just wanna dance for the hell of it, hell of it. Wanna take a chance for the thrill of it, thrill of it. Wanna raise my hands cause I'm feeling it, feeling it. Are you feeling this? Are you feeling this? Oh, you only got one life, so make it feel like sunshine. I feel the sun on my face, it's a brand new day. And it's telling me it'll all be okay. All the clouds and the rain, that's of yesterday. Yeah, I'm telling you.
Conferencing in London last week sent by a number of Ukrainian ministers.
You got me headed to the left, headed to the right, headed back and forth, but baby, it's alright. You got me going to the east, going to the west, going up and down, cause baby, you know best. All day, all night, running around. I'm never gonna stop because you never settle down. You got me shooting into space, flying at the sun. I'm never coming back cause baby, you're the one.
that in on look.
Y'all have a good one.
And they are about so.
They dropped him with that drying hold him more in the middle than in the corner.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's only a couple
No, I don't.
How are we gonna get you the strap?
This is so nerve-wracking. God bless.
God bless you!
You're gonna have to angle it to get it on the door. It's slightly wider than the door. Right on top of those sawhorses. Keep going straight.
Wait, I think we're gonna have to flip it around.
No, we don't gotta flip it. Okay. Excellent.
Thank you.
Good, Mama.
We're gonna have to wait to pick these up. Grab this thing.
You want to do?
You wanna do that in first? Or we'll do it?
Oh, I can get this all the way off there first and then.
Fight with this one to get it up.